welcome back to my channel. So my new setup, once again, completely different. I decided to not to use the other stepper motors because they were simply too weak, as was actually already clear from the beginning, but I decided to try it. Didn't work. Surprise. But now I got this new motor. It's a Viper motor from Amazon. 25 euros, was pretty cheap and it's working very good. I also got this speed controller and I can control it using this joystick and this button. So once I press this, the speed controller turns off and the motor won't get any power anymore. So the power is cut off, and by turning this I change the percentage of voltage that goes through here into the motor, so that changes the speed. Over here, this is the power supply, also pretty cheap. I think it was about 17 euros, and yeah, I use this cable here to plug it in, and this works pretty well. I haven't tested it with heating the barrel, but without it works very good. And I've also put the nozzle on just for demonstration purpose. So over here we have the other motor. So you can see it's a lot smaller. I tried it with this gear, as you know from the last episode, but it was very slow because of the gear ratio from 1 to 40. That means it's 40 times slower, and that's really slow, and it had not really the power. Yeah, but this is a real good one. It's a beast. It's also very heavy, but there's a giant magnet and everything inside of here. I opened it up. Maybe I can show a picture right here. Here I 3D printed a joint to attach it to the auger bit right here, and I will try to show you how this works. So over here we turn it on, then you can see this lights up. Shows 0 right now. Once I turn this knob, actually it's a potentiometer, percentage goes up, not turning. Now it's starting to turn, as you can see. So again, sorry for the very big mess and bad lighting, but I think it works also. Well, you can see percentage goes up, motor speed increases. I won't run it this fast, but just to show you. I also can run this slow, pretty smooth. It's also actually very silent. You almost don't hear it. The stepper motors I used before were pretty loud and there was a squeaking noise in the barrel. With this one I don't have that. I can show you. I put this in. Just a moment. Now you can see it turns very smooth. It's beautiful. So this motor actually runs on 12 volts. And let me turn it off. So 12 volts power come from here, go go over here to the speed controller, right here, and then it goes to the motor. Oh, I forgot to show you the button. This button right here. Just a moment. So I turn this on. And when I click on this button, right now, you can see there are these stripes, and that indicates there's no power going to the motor. Once I press the button again, it starts turning again. It's actually pretty cool. Inside of here, I can change the accessories. I can plug them out and plug other ones in. Very handy. And over here I have three spots in total. 2 more right now. And 230 volts on the power here. Yeah, actually it's pretty cool. Once again, I will try this with heating the barrel. Maybe it works this time. I certainly hope so. To mount the motor, I made this. This will go right here, so that the motor can be mounted. I don't know how to drill this hole yet, because this is a pretty big circle. They only have 35mm bits, and this should be about 40mm. Maybe I'll come up with something, but yeah. This motor actually really nice. Maybe if you want to know what it is, which one it exactly is, I can put a link in the description. Yeah, it also has 2 speeds, by the way. Right here on the back, you can see we have these 2 cables coming out of there, 2 wires, and the 2 wires going to the speed controller. So let's put it down for a second so I can show you. So we have here 5 contacts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And right now it's connected to the first one and the second one. This is the low speed setting of the motor. And when I put it onto the blue one and onto the red one, then it's the high speed. So it's a little bit higher, not really high, but pretty high. And yeah, that's the motor wiring right there. Also inside of the motor, right here, is another worm gear, and here's a gear wheel. So the transmission should be about 1 to 55, and this motor spins really fast, and the worm gear will bring the speed down to 1/55 of the total speed. But therefore there's also more torque. Pretty high torque should be enough to get this going. So yeah, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.